I say the ninja here. I'm gonna talk about how America is getting attacked by drugs, and I wanna give America the good old education treatment, which is teaching America. And I'm going to teach other continents how to be friends. Fuck yeah. What the hell? So, first off, drugs. Drugs are very bad for you. They're poisonous, they're killers, they're the number of the beast, which is 666. Sorry, I had to slip that one in. I had to slip not that one. That's a joke. You will not get that if you are not a Slipknot fan. Oh, and anyways, drugs are turning people into Patrick Star. Yeah. They're like poisoning Americans, and they're turning them into zombies. What will zombies do when the zombie apocalypse come? What would meth heads do when the zombie apocalypse come? Until and also the bad side of the government started the war on drugs by buying drugs. That's why America should destroy all drug cartels and send the drug cartels back to Satan's lair, which is hell. Right. I'm the person you want to watch on YouTube. And I will fight against I'll fight liberals and I'll kick their butts. Well, I'm staying on the neutral side, which is just be whoever you want side. Yeah, there's no such, there's no, and also, Google censorship tries to censor out guns. Well, they can't do a damn thing about it. And also, fuck Google censorship. It'll be damned all to hell anyways. Man, I sound like a priest right there. I sound like a total priest. And okay. We shouldn't pick on Barron Trump online. I mean, he's a kid. He's an expert. I mean, if Barron Trump hears or sees this video right now, he would just say, I say it's pretty good. I should support him. And then click subscribe button. And then he watches more of me and he asks more. And then until I set private YouTube videos to Barron Trump so he could watch more and more of me, and he'll know where the location of me. No, not the location, because why? I live in nowhere. I live in nowhere, nowhere, nowhere. Which, that means I was born in a place unknown. Everything about me is unknown. You know Isaiah, but you know Ninja, and you know the, right? Isaiah the Ninja is my real name. No, no, don't say I'm lying. Don't say I'm lying. Or else, I'm going to comment disagreements. If anyone tries to stop me from being argued, then I'm going to get mad. Anyways, back to the whole public service announcement. So, what do you do when you see PSAs that are drug public service announcements? Well, for one, you should obviously trust my version. 'Cause why? It's the best information. Well, unless if you trust other good things with other things, which is good source, yeah. Even Captain Lou Albano's version, which is like, he says that that drugs will send people to hell. Literal hell. Man, I like that one. Yeah. And also, I gotta tell ya, Google censorship ain't real. It's just another fad from, like, the 2000s. Or even younger, or even older, the 1980s. 1981, 1989 to be exact. Yeah, I don't believe Google censorship is real. It's just a